Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make brownies in the oven. First, gather all your ingredients, including 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of flour, 2 eggs, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Next, prepare your baking pan. Use a 9x 13-inch pan, greasing it well and dusting with flour to prevent sticking. Finally, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your brownies bake evenly from the start. Now that your oven is preheating, let's mix the batter. In a saucepan, melt 1/2 cup of butter, then stir in 1 cup of sugar until combined. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Next, whisk in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Finally, gradually fold in 1/2 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder until just combined, being careful not to overmix. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the rich brownie batter into your prepared 9x 13-inch baking pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Place the pan into your preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Once baked, let them cool completely for at least 2 hours before slicing. Your delicious homemade brownies are now ready to enjoy. Once fully cooled, cut them into perfect 2-inch squares. Serve them plain or with a scoop of ice cream for an extra treat. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.